Capacity crunches are a significant challenge in the freight industry, affecting freight brokers, carriers, and shippers alike. A capacity crunch occurs when the demand for freight services exceeds the available supply of carriers, leading to higher shipping costs, delays, and operational inefficiencies. In this video, we'll explore the causes of capacity crunches, their impact on the freight industry, and strategies for managing and mitigating their effects. Let's get a better understanding of capacity crunches. First, we'll explore some causes of capacity crunches, as several factors contribute to capacity crunches in the freight industry. First, seasonal demand. Certain times of the year, such as the holiday season or harvest period, see a surge in demand for freight services, outstripping the available capacity. Second, economic fluctuations. Economic growth can lead to increased production and, consequently, higher demand for transportation services. Conversely, economic downturns can reduce capacity as carriers downsize or go out of business. And third, regulatory changes. New regulations, such as hours of service rules for drivers or environmental regulations, can reduce the available capacity by limiting the number of hours drivers can work or requiring carriers to upgrade their fleets. And four, natural disasters and pandemics. Events like hurricanes, floods, and pandemics can disrupt supply chains, causing sudden spikes in demand for certain routes or services. And five, driver shortages. A persistent issue in the industry is the shortage of qualified drivers, which limits the capacity of carriers to meet demand. Now, let's explore how capacity crunches can have far-reaching effects on the freight industry. First, increased shipping costs. When demand exceeds supply, shipping rates increase, affecting the profitability of shippers and brokers. Two, delays and service disruptions. Limited capacity can lead to delays in deliveries, affecting customer satisfaction and supply chain reliability. 3. Operational inefficiencies. Carriers may have to adjust routes, schedules, and resources to cope with the increased demand, leading to operational inefficiencies. 4. Strained relationships. Capacity crunches can strain relationships between brokers, carriers, and shippers, as all parties grapple with the challenges of meeting demand. Next, we'll dive into some strategies for managing capacity crunches. First, building strong relationships with carriers and shippers can help manage capacity crunches more effectively. Preferred partnerships. Establishing preferred partnerships with reliable carriers can ensure priority access to capacity during peak times. Second, transparent communication. Maintaining open and transparent communication with all stakeholders helps manage expectations and find collaborative solutions during capacity crunches. 3. Long-term contracts. Long-term contracts with carriers can provide stability and guaranteed capacity, even during high demand periods. Relying on a diverse network of carriers can mitigate the impact of capacity crunches. Multiple carriers. Working with a variety of carriers, including large national carriers and smaller regional ones, can provide more options and flexibility. Modal flexibility. Utilizing different modes of transportation, such as rail, intermodal, and air freight, can alleviate pressure on road transport capacity. Expanding geographically. Expanding the geographic range of carrier networks can help access capacity in different regions, balancing the load more effectively. Now, let's discuss how freight marketplaces and load boards can be valuable tools for finding available capacity quickly. First, real-time matching. These platforms provide real-time matching of loads with available carriers, reducing the time and effort required to secure capacity. 2. Market insights. Load boards offer market insights and data, helping brokers and shippers make informed decisions about pricing and capacity availability. And 3. Access to a broader network. Using freight marketplaces can connect brokers and shippers with a broader network of carriers, increasing the chances of finding available capacity. Let's look at how flexible pricing strategies can help manage the financial impact of capacity crunches. First, dynamic pricing. Adjusting pricing based on real-time demand and supply conditions can help balance capacity and ensure profitability. 2. Surcharges. Implementing surcharges during peak demand periods can offset increased costs and encourage more efficient use of capacity. 3. Incentives for carriers. Offering incentives for carriers such as fuel surcharges or expedited payments can attract more capacity during crunch periods. Now, let's review how improving supply chain visibility can lead to better planning and resource allocation. First, tracking and monitoring. Using tracking and monitoring technologies to gain real-time visibility into shipment status and carrier availability can help manage capacity more effectively. 2. Predictive Analytics. Leveraging predictive analytics to forecast demand and identify potential capacity issues before they occur allows for proactive planning and mitigation. 3. Collaboration tools. Implementing collaboration tools that enable all stakeholders to share information and coordinate more effectively can streamline operations and improve capacity management. Finally, let's look at some case studies showing effective capacity management. Case Study 1 highlights a retail giant's holiday strategy. A major retail company faced significant capacity challenges during the holiday season. By building strong relationships with carriers and establishing long-term contracts, the company secured guaranteed capacity. Additionally, they used predictive analytics to forecast demand and adjust their transportation strategies accordingly. As a result, the company was able to meet increased demand without significant delays or cost overruns. Case Study 2 shows how a food manufacturer diversified their network. A leading food manufacturer diversified its carrier network to manage capacity crunches more effectively. They partnered with both national and regional carriers and utilized multiple modes of transportation, including rail and intermodal. By expanding their geographic reach and working with a variety of carriers, the manufacturer maintained consistent delivery schedules even during peak demand periods. Capacity crunches are an inevitable challenge in the freight industry, but with the right strategies, their impact can be managed and mitigated. Building strong relationships, diversifying carrier networks, utilizing freight marketplaces, implementing flexible pricing strategies, and enhancing supply chain visibility are critical steps towards effective capacity management. By adopting these strategies, freight brokers, carriers, and shippers can navigate capacity crunches more efficiently, ensuring reliable and cost-effective transportation services. In an industry where demand fluctuations and disruptions are common, proactive capacity management is essential for maintaining operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. We thank you for watching and hope you found some good takeaways. For this information and so much more, visit our blog at www.transcredit.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel at Transcredit. We'll see you on the next one.